Morning. Happy Wednesday today. Musta kayo dyan? Musta mga buhay-buhay natin? It's another day. Parang hindi siya uulan. Musta kayo dyan? Tapos na akong mag-almusal, mag-take ng medicine, and then start na tayo sa gawaing bahay. Today, this is our life, and this is our routine every day. Kayo dyan, kumusta kayo? Ano mga ginagawa nyo dyan sa morning? Yan lang, ayos natin. Maglilinis tayo ng buong bahay. Bye guys. See you later. Hi guys. Snack muna tayo. Nalaba ako. Labahan. Kain muna tayo. Well.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die, let's show we really care. Through thick